over here at the car show again. What I tell you, this is not over. Look at that. Your boy Kash. It is not over. Excuse me. Oh, look at that. Behind him.
Ooh. And that's the shot right there.
Look at that. A beauty.
Look,
I'm important.
oh, your shit.
My nigga.
Right.
My nigga E.
Fine as hell.
Let him know where we at.
Checking out the car show. Me and my boys checking out the car show. You know how we do. We big pimping and the 12. Oh, look at this baby. Ferrari.
Woo. Nice little Ferrari real quick. That shit was tough. That shit was tough. You can't go beyond the ropes, but guess what? That shit was tough. Look back there though. That shit was tough too.
What a back.
I don't know. Oh, hold up. Look at the Escalade.
Where?
Right in front of us. No, look. That is nice. Oh, wow. Hold up. Still at the car show. Still at the car show. She is a beauty. As soon as you come around, I'm going to show you the engine. As soon as you come around, I'm going to show you the engine. Watch this. He's gorgeous. He is a gorgeous. Oh. Double edition. Whoa. Spinners. We ride spinners. We ride spinners. Come on now. Why they have to do that? Oh. It's like everywhere I turn my head is a nice ass car. Everywhere I turn my head is a nice ass car. Ooh. With the Maybach there?
You know you want to buy me, right?
Yeah, right.
The Maybach there?
Yeah.
That shit tough. Old school. Old school. Old school ambulance.